It is 4:23 a.m. and I just woke up so I can get into the studio for my first session at 5. Never really gets easy waking up at 4 in the morning. And the sponsor for today's video is Monster Energy. Yeah, I wish. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it kind of looks like I got punched in the eye. That's just poison ivy on my face. 2020, guys. Been a hell of a year so far.
It is 4:45.
We both had 5 a.m. sessions today. We're on our way to the studio and we'll be there soon. Luckily, it's only a 5-minute drive, which makes it easy. Now we're just opening the studio, so got to turn everything on. Music, good song right here. Not actually gonna wear my mask like this. If you do, you're kind of an asshole. You have an assessment coming up, huh? We just signed on a new client. We've signed on a few, actually. Even with all this craziness going on, new people are still coming in. Business is pretty good. Alexis's client was early, and mine are probably gonna be here any second now. She's doing an assessment, which those are a little bit awkward now because you have to be touching your client to get fat caliper readings and circumference measurements, so we're still kind of figuring out the best way to do those. Hello.
Hi.
So the way our sessions work, they're 45 minutes long, and then you do cardio afterwards. I don't want to film anyone directly doing cardio, so yeah, you can kind of see someone over there. But yeah, that's how it works. We've only been reopened for, what, 2-3 weeks? We're already running out of Clorox wipes. Not good. Because we both had a break and our next sessions are not for a little while. I think we both have like, what, an hour break?
About an hour.
We're gonna go home, grab some breakfast, get some more coffee.
More coffee.
Because why not? That's just personal trainer life, coffee all day. And this is what I do on my work breaks. Take this dude on a walk. Here I am doing a virtual training session with a couple that I've worked with for 5 years now. Combined, they have lost more than 100 pounds. They spend most of their time in another state, but I still work with them via webcam 3 days a week. So here at Commence Fitness, we are very into writing down our workouts. That way, if you're working with me or a different trainer, I know what has happened in your last workout. Here is my clipboard filled with workout charts and other little random things. One, go. So guys, I have a little bit of a confession here to make. I am an extreme caffeine addict. If you're someone who knows me, of course you already know this about me. Anyway, whether you're a personal trainer or not, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you too have an issue with having far too much caffeine. We are on the rowing machine here. It's going well. One thing I'm not showing you today is just how much goddamn cleaning I'm doing now. I mean, we're literally cleaning everything all the time. Clorox wiping, disinfecting, every day, all day. So unfortunately, I cannot show you any clips from my 5th training session here at 10:30 a.m. This is a newer client and someone who's below the age of 18, so yeah, I definitely wouldn't feel right showing that person on YouTube or even asking for their permission to be videoed. And then at 11:30 a.m. I have what we call an assisted stretching session, and basically what this is I have a client on a massage table and I'll be stretching them out in a variety of different ways based on specific goals they might have or based on any pain or discomfort they're having. We have Alexis demoing on the table here because yeah, it would be super awkward to film this as well. I also use massage guns in this service as well. In addition to being an exercise physiologist, I also have a license in massage therapy. But if you're a personal trainer watching this video, check your state's laws on manual therapy because you might be able to do assisted stretching as well. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty good little side source of income. It's a little bit after 1 and it's the slow part of my day. The middle part of the day is usually somewhat slow. So pretty much what I am doing in the middle part of my day is everything else. Today I'm editing a video. Just so happens to be the video that you're watching right now. I also have a few emails that I have to respond to, and I have to make 1 or 2 phone calls too. And then after that, I have to find time to do my own workout somewhere in there too. Time management as a personal trainer, it's pretty damn hard, to be honest with you. Also eating. Eating is another thing I do in the middle of the day on a break. Most of the time I'm trying to figure out how to not get that sweaty and do a workout in 45 minutes or so. Today all I'm doing are a few pulling exercises between sessions and other things. So I'm on my last session of the day here. There are lots of long days in personal training. My first session was at 5 a.m. and as you can see, my last is at 6:30 p.m. Luckily, I had lots of breaks in there too. For this session as well as the others, I kept the clips that I collected very brief out of respect to my clients. It was nice of them to let me film them at all. And that's it for today, guys. 7 training sessions in total, making it a pretty average personal training day before the Rona. We certainly had much busier days than that. But like I said, business is actually still pretty good and getting busier, so I'm not complaining. And this video is way different than the kinds of videos that I'm usually putting out on this channel. I'm usually putting out videos to attempt to help other personal trainers and health and fitness professionals. And maybe this video will kind of do that in a roundabout way, because now you'll see what an average day is like for a personal trainer or a small business owner. But anyways, if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe, because more useful and not so useful content is on the way very soon. Thanks for watching.